Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel, Wellbeing. We hope you all are in the best of your health. Today we are here with some amazing home remedies for ear infection. So, sit back and hold tight for the exciting new information coming your way. But before that, hit the like button and subscribe to Wellbeing for learning more about a healthy lifestyle. 1. Our first remedy contains the most recommended method, using an ice pack or a warm compress. Like all other pain relievers, these also help in ear infections and pain. You can use a wet towel or heating, cooling pad. This method is medically safe for children and adults. Place the ice pack or warm compress over the ear and alternate between warm and cold after 10 minutes. If you prefer either cold or warm, you can use just one compress. 2. The next remedy involves using olive oil or any other oil at moderate temperature, which means near to your body temperature. This method came from centuries-old folks. Though there is no scientific proof that it aids in soothing ear pain, many experiences have proven its positive impact. However, don't forget to consult medical opinion before employing this method on children and infants. 3. Often earaches are caused by pressure in the ear canal. For this, there are certain neck rotation exercises which prove to be beneficial in this case. Follow these steps to perform neck rotations exercises. Sit straight up with both feet flat on the ground. Slowly rotate your neck and head to the right until your head is parallel with your shoulder. Rotate your head the other way, until your head is parallel with your left shoulder. Raise your shoulders high as if you're trying to cover your ears with your shoulders. Make the movements slowly, hold them gently, stretching more for a count of 5, then relax. Repeat these often throughout waking hours. 4. Garlic has been tested to hold antibiotic and pain-relieving properties. Crush a small piece of garlic and soak it into olive, another oil. Remove garlic from the oil. Now put a few drops of that oil into the ear. This will help clearing and providing relief. 5. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe pain from earaches. Apply ginger juice, or strained oil that was warmed with ginger in it, around the outer ear canal. Do not put it directly into the ear. 6. Hydrogen peroxide has been used as a natural remedy for earaches for many years. To use this method of treatment, place several drops of hydrogen peroxide into the affected ear. Let it sit for several minutes before letting it drain into a sink. Rinse your ear with clean, distilled water. You can find it from any medical store nearby. 7. The next remedy is somewhat more medical and effective. Using pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen at the right dosage can help relieve the pain instantly. Pain relievers work as advertised, helping take the edge off the pain. Both adults and kids can rest easier as these medications reduce pain and fever, making you feel more comfortable. 8. Your sleeping posture can deeply affect the ear pain. Rest your 2 or more pillows so the affected ear is higher than the rest of your body. Sleep on the side opposite to the infected ear 1. It could be effective, though a few inches may not make a big difference in pressure measurement. But if it makes you feel better, go for it. 9. Gentle massage can help with ear pain that radiates from the jaw or teeth, or that causes a tension headache. People can massage the tender area, as well as any surrounding muscles. For example, if the area behind the ear hurts, try massaging the muscles of the jaw and neck. Massage may also help with the pain of an ear infection. Using a downward motion, apply pressure beginning just behind the ears and down the neck. Continuing to apply pressure downward, work forward to the front of the ears. This type of massage may help drain excess fluid from the ears, and prevent the pain from getting worse. Guys, these were natural home remedies for your earache. But don't take the situation lightly if you are facing severe symptoms. A proper medical advice is very important to know the gravity of the situation. So, don't just rely on these methods. If they don't work, it gives a strong signal for you to seek an end specialist. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Wellbeing. See you soon.